Hi guys, Ravinder Singh here at DG and Gas. So just going to show you a boiler we installed on the weekend. Just came to do some finishing touches today. So we got the main Eco Compact combi boiler here. We got the added filter behind the removable panel at the top, and we got the ESI thermostat. It's all up and running, customers happy. As always, we cover London and surrounding areas for new installations, and we cover West London, North West London for maintenance and servicing. We are BACSI approved and we are rated in advance. Do get in touch. Ravinder Singh at DG and Gas. Thank you guys.